If you've been trying to start an online business, but everything feels overwhelming, if funnels confuse you, if tech stresses you out, if every course you take leaves you more lost, then listen closely, because today I'm going to show you how complete beginners are building digital businesses fast, using the mindset, strategy, and discipline of modern soldiers, and why the old funnel-centric world is being replaced by the hub-centric era. By the end of this video, you'll know the exact path beginners are using, and why Mission 1000 might be the first real opportunity to build a business you're proud of. Right now, you might feel stuck. You've wanted to start something online for weeks, months, maybe even years. You've bought courses, you've watched videos, you've tried templates, maybe you even tried building funnels. But instead of feeling confident, you feel overwhelmed. Everything seems too complicated. You're afraid of wasting time. You're afraid of wasting money. And deep down, you're scared of failing again. You have motivation, ideas, and the desire to build something real, but no structure, no clarity, no simple starting point. If that's you, you're not broken. You're not behind. You're not bad at tech. You've just been trying to win a battle without the right training. In the military, soldiers don't wait to feel ready. They don't wait for motivation. They don't wait for the perfect moment. They execute the mission. Emotion follows mission, not the other way around. This is exactly why beginners struggle. They wait to feel confident. They wait to feel certain. They wait to feel good enough. But confidence is built through action. Clarity is built through execution. Mission comes first. Emotions fall in line. That's how soldiers win. And that's how beginners finally build their business. The enemy isn't lack of talent. It isn't lack of intelligence. It isn't lack of motivation. The real enemy is tech overwhelm. Too many tools. Complicated funnels, zero structure. No clear mission, fear of failing again. You've been thrown into battle with no map, no squad, and no simple step-by-step system. And here's the truth. It's not your fault. The traditional online business world was designed to confuse beginners. Funnels used to work, but the world has changed. They're too complicated, too expensive, too fragile, too overwhelming for beginners. Most people quit before they ever launch. But now we're entering a new era, a simpler era, a smarter era, a hub-centric era, where instead of building 17 pages, integrations, and automations, you build one hub you control. Your website, your community, your offers, your content, your communication, your members all in one place. This is the future, especially for beginners. In real missions, soldiers never move forward until they secure the perimeter. If you don't control the ground beneath you, you're vulnerable. Most beginners build their business on platforms they don't control. Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, YouTube, Discord, school, circle. One algorithm change, one ban, one shadow ban, and your entire business disappears. That's not sovereignty. That's dependency. Your hub becomes your perimeter, your base, your safe ground, your sovereign digital land. You own it. You control it. No one can take it away. Let me speak directly to you, the beginner. You want a clear path, a real start. Speed, simplicity, confidence, structure. A business you can proudly show people. You're not looking for a giant course. You're not looking for funnel building tutorials. You're not looking for 30 different tools. You want someone to say, here's the path. Here's your mission. Let's build this together. That's exactly why I introduce beginners to Mission 1000. Now let me be clear. I didn't create Mission 1000, but I am someone who believes in guiding beginners toward the most beginner-friendly path I've found. Mission 1000 is a deployment-style program designed to help complete beginners build their full hub, set up their community, Understand their structure. Follow simple steps. Build momentum. Fast. Feel confident for the first time. It gives you clarity. It gives you support. It gives you direction. It gives you a mission. No more guessing. No more trying 20 tools. No more funnels that stress you out. Just a clear path. Finally, you've spent enough time doubting yourself. Enough time feeling lost. Enough time trying to figure everything out alone. Now you have a path. Now you have a mission. Now you have direction. If you're ready to step into the Hub-Centric era, your journey begins with Mission 1000. The link is in the description. I'm ready when you are, soldier. Let's begin the mission.